what up? What's happening, good people? I done lost my intro. Somehow I gotta go through my everything and find my intro. I done lost it somehow. I think I might be able to. I don't know. I gotta find it. I gotta find the intro. If you notice, if you go back on my older videos and you notice that the intro was full screen. Well, somehow I've lost the full screen intro, and I ended up with that, not the full screen intro. So chances are I might just go ahead and make another, intro with some maybe be able to put some videos in it. I don't know. I try to keep the intro, pretty short, but I lost it. So chances are I might have to make another one anyway. I'll figure it out. But I'm coming at y'all today with another video, man. I run across something I ain't seen. I've seen them driving around, but I've never seen one up close, man. Never, And man, they neat. They neat, But man, y'all definitely check his ride out, man. They got customization going on all over the place. A big shout out to the owner. He was cool enough, nice enough to let me go ahead and film him. He didn't even know who I was. I didn't know who he was. I seen it, and I was like, hey man, I got a YouTube channel. You care about filming? Go ahead, man. Go ahead, man. Hey, and the music, man, I didn't get none of the music. I should have got some while I was on the other side in the car wash. The music was banging. Man, it was banging. That's what led me to go, I seen it. And then, of course, he had the music playing and led me to go, awesome, man, all right, yeah, man. So, y'all definitely check this out. Check this ride out. What, this is, Slingshot?
Yeah.
Man, I don't know, I've seen them, but I don't know nothing about them.
I customize everything on there, man. It should be done my way, from the wheel light, the wheels, paint job, seats, encore, windshield, everything, man.
Okay, what do they consider this? A motorcycle car cycle.
You don't need no license or anything.
Okay.
This is a no helmet state when you go across that bridge.
You gotta have one.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, they're gonna try to get you up.
Plus you can put, what you got, 20s on there?
24.
See, I'm missing.
I'm actually going to put a lift kit on it, man, and put dirt wheels on it, man, like mud
right?
wheels. Yeah.
Okay.
Waiting on the kid to come down, man. Just give it a different flair.
I got you.
Yeah. I think everything here. Everything's customized, all what you hear, all the way.
Man, it's the first time I've seen one up this close, so you know what I mean?
Steering wheels, when you get into it, it's quite a bit of money, man, but once you get done, I'm looking to sell this one too. Yeah. I want all my money back.
Yeah, I feel you.
All of it back. It's not a game.
Hard copy.
Not a game. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Second edition here, man. I used to have a 89 Isuzu pickup truck.
Right.
Dropped hydraulics on it. I did everything to it and sold it to a guy, man. I try to take any toy I get, I try to take it to another level and sell it,
They hot. These are hot right now, man. I know downtown. I went downtown one night, man. I was like, all these with all these lights on them.
It's about 5 or 6 guys I ride with.
Okay.
Yeah, they go hard on them, man. But this is money gone right here, baby. You ain't get shit, you ain't get none of that back.
No.
They don't lose their value.
Right.
So I'm gonna smack 30 for this one all day.
Woo.
You can go get your brand new for that.
So what kind of motor do they usually run?
This here, I got the top of the line motor right here. This is the
man, we over here. So.
Used to be in the.
So they'll run a car motor?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't, man, like I said, this is the first time I ever seen. I've seen them driving and riding, but I've never seen them. Look, plus you got the lift off hook. Man, look at that. Okay.
It's a 4-cylinder, but I forgot the name of it, man. It's they kept them in the first police car.
Ecotech VVT. Okay.
It'll make it dance 220 on.
Oh man, the music though, loud. Well, you got him.
Paddle command on here, man. I can't afford that nitro on there.
Okay.
As a boost to it, just like it.
The pedal commander. I heard of the pedal commander. Yeah, man. Look, this is his ride. This thing is nice. I heard the music. I had to come over here and talk to him about it, man.
All the music through here, man. Everything through here. I got 5 gate in the front, and I'm running DS18s on the side and the back.
I heard, man, it got some slam for, you know, man. I said, where the room at? Where you?
Where all
yeah. So just use some shallow box, type speakers, I guess you say?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I see them. I guess
it's really the truck. It's really the truck behind the seat.
It's behind the seat. Okay. And use that as your speaker box?
That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, I got compartments, man, that got slam on theirs.
Really?
It's got slam, but theirs got some slam.
It's right here got some. That's what I said, man. You know, you at the car wash, when you hear the music over the spray gun, you know you got some music, man. You know you got some music. Man, I like it. Like I said, it's the first time I seen him up close. Like I said, I seen him driving and stuff. You know, that's about it. I haven't seen him up close.
You rent this?
I feel you, man.
It's a toy. It's fun to ride. I ain't gonna lie, man.
I got you.
Every time I get off work, I'm ready to jump in. Hey, I only come out at this time.
Right, because it's too hot during the day, man. I've been at it all day and sweat. Look, covered.
Hey, get where you trying to go.
Yes, sir, man. I appreciate you letting me check him out. Yes, sir. There you go. I like it, man. I like it. Plus, you got, like you said, the 24s all the way around. Man, that's slick. Belt driven.
Oh, yeah.
Belt driven. That's all right, man.